Hi everyone, Deborah here. In this video, you'll learn how to cut, weed, and apply pattern vinyl and matte vinyl. Hope you like it. And today I'm doing a project for myself. I play a lot of bridge and I'm going to a bridge tournament tonight. And my partner is a great guy. I've played a lot of bridge, a lot of golf with him. So I'm going to make myself a image on this turtleneck black cotton shirt, and it is, if a man bids and there's no woman to hear it, is he still wrong? I think that's adorable. So will he. Anyway, I'm going to use our red matte vinyl, white vinyl, and I found a cool pattern vinyl with cards on it. And so let's get started. See you in a minute. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but if you like what you're watching, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Let's find the center line of our image. Gently press the middle with the non-sticky sides together. We'll leave this on for about 5 seconds. It's our 1, 2, 3 flex, so it only needs a few seconds. And you can warm or cold peel this, but I'm going to cold peel. With pattern vinyl, you leave it on about 20 seconds, and that is a cold, cold, cold peel. All right, here we are, and I'm going to wear it tonight. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.